Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gel City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video. And with my mini savings videos, I have 6 saving challenges here. And I have $50 here. I have 2 $5 bills, which is my savings boost. And I'm just going to stick those in there. And I have my 6-sided die to determine which 2 bills will go to, which 2 bills will go to what challenge. Oh my goodness, I couldn't get that out. All right, we got 3 here, 2, and I think we are close to finishing at least one challenge today. And we're going to see if we can get that done. 4, 5, 5, okay, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, a savings boost, 4, 5, 2, and the last 2 bills. It like everyone got love, so that is great. And that is going to 5. Perfect. All right. Oh, what I'm doing. All right, so first challenge here is created by Budget with Carly. And, oh, I didn't even set this up for us. So let's do each butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20. Should I do 2? Yes, let's do 2. So this should be $40 if I added that up correctly. And today it got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can cross out 2 butterflies. All right, next we have Plan to Save Designs, Yours Truly Spring, and it got 1, 2, 3, and $4. So let's do 3 and 1. Perfect. And all together, it got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Next is, who is this? This is Bookish Mama Budget, says $30. Ooh, this one got a lot of money today. It got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. So let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So that was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16 so far. Like we're going to have a nice start for June. Can you believe June is already knocking at the door? I can't believe it. Can't believe it. This is your Tea-rific, created by Doodle Dollars. I make each teacup $2. And it needs 2, 4, 6, $8. And it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, almost made it. 2, 4, 6. Oh, hopefully we can borrow $2 from a challenge so we can close this one out. So far it got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So it would save us $40. Let's hope we can borrow something. So this one is created by Budget with Carly, says $36. And today got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12. So let's do 3, 6, 7, 8. Let's do 9, 10, 11, 12. Hopefully that is right. 6 and 2, 4, 6. Yeah, $12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, $12. Okay. Oh, well, let's count it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, $22. We getting close. All right. This would You're a Peach saving challenge created by NASA Budgets. And I'm actually going to take $2 out of this one so I can put into the other one. I know. I told you guys, it's your challenge, your money, your budget, your way. So this one got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's do 3, 6, another 3, yes, 9, and no other 3, and let's do, there we go, so $12. See, that wasn't bad. So let me make sure, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yes, $12. Your Peach. So let's go big to the teacup one. Let's add $2 to here. 1, 2. Thanks to our nice peach challenge. Okay, so this one is complete and it says 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. $40. Uh-oh. And gems, that is a completed challenge. So let me put 40. And since this is the end of the month, I am not going to roll for my randolizer. I'm put all this towards school fees, back to school. So let's add it all up. So we have 24, 36, 16, and 40. So for the month of May, we saved $116. $116 for our mini savings challenge. And I am just going to put all this into my revolving sinking funds for back to school, because that is like a priority right now, because it seemed like as soon as they out of school, you recovering and or they going right back to school. So we need some back to school clothes and supplies and all that fun jazz right there. So that is how I save for my revolving sinking funds. I use mini saving challenges, saving $50 a week. Yeah. So thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.